EMMS International is an international healthcare charity formed in 1841. We help overseas mission hospitals in Malawi, in Nepal and in India. We work in conjunction with these hospitals to develop projects which are going to make a difference to some of the areas where people just don't have access to healthcare otherwise. Well, Advanced Exchequer is critical to being able to see exactly what's going on within the organisation, and it gives us real information up to the minute. This streamlined accounting process, this was one of the critical things when we were looking around for a new system. One of the fundamentals to any charity is recording and processing its fundraising income. So the daily reporting allows us to see exactly what is happening in terms of income, and the output is exactly what we need. Integration with a fundraising database was absolutely critical to being able to streamline processes and avoid duplication of data entry. So we have one point of entry which is in our fundraising database, and that then is automatically imported into Advanced Exchequer, and that just reduces the amount of rekeying of information. The ability to retain data for a long time and indefinitely, in fact, is one of the major benefits of switching to Advanced Exchequer, because a project can last for a short time or a long time, and you want to have access to all that information online, which results in cost savings and maximising the return from each pound that we receive as a donation. We were able to see exactly what the position is on each individual project, and that allows us to focus our efforts on the fundraising activity which is relevant to which will maximise return for the project that most needs it. It gives all users Excel integration for reporting and visibility on the reports that they need on their desktop. So before we chose and implemented Advanced Exchequer, we had a lot of manual entry into two different systems, and the key with Advanced Exchequer was to integrate with our fundraising database, and that was absolutely critical for us as a business to be able to reduce the amount of time that we spent on data input. With Advanced Exchequer, we're able to track the activity on each individual project, and we have about 15 projects currently, so we're able to see exactly what the position is on each project. We're able to see the performance on past projects, which allows us then to consider how best to utilise our resources and focus our efforts on future projects. I think it's important to the charity industry because actually accounting for charities is really complex, and with Advanced Exchequer it is able to configure and deliver reports to both internally and externally, and that's absolutely critical within the charity sector. Advanced Exchequer has been fantastic. For us it's been brilliant. The day we went live with it, we had complete visibility on activity within the organisation. In terms of future activity, yes, we will expand as the charity is developing and we're taking on new staff. We will expand the rollout of Advanced Exchequer.